Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to Zukhruful Quran channel. We are start our next lesson, Surah Al-Baqarah, ayat number 46 to 50. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma, Rabbi zidni ilma. O my Allah, increase my knowledge. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الذين يظنون أنهم ملاقو ربهم وأنهم إليه راجعون. Translation: They are those who are certain that they are going to meet their Lord and that unto Him they are going to return. Ya Bani Israel اذكروا نعمتي التي أنعمت عليكم وأني فضلتكم على العالمين. Translation: O children of Israel, remember my favor which I bestowed upon you, and that I preferred you to the Alameen, mankind and jinn of your time period in the past. واتقوا يوما لا تجزي نفس عن نفس شيئا ولا يقبل منها شفاعة ولا يؤخذ منها عدل ولا هم ينصرون. And fear a day of judgment when a person shall that know evil and other, nor will interaction be accepted from him, nor will compensation be taken from him, nor will they be helped. وَإِذْ نَجَّيْنَاكُمْ مِنْ آلِ فِرْعَوْنَ يَسُومُونَكُمْ سُوءَ الْعَذَابِ يُذَبِّحُونَ أَبْنَاءَكُمْ وَيَسْتَحْيُونَ نِسَاءَكُمْ وَفِي ذَلِكُمْ بَلَاءٌ مِّن رَّبِّكُمْ عَظِيمٌ. And remember when we delivered you from Pharaoh, people who were afflicting you with a horrible torment, killing your sons and sparing your women, that therein was a mighty trial from your Lord. وَإِذْ فَرَقْنَا بِكُمُ الْبَحْرَ فَأَنْجَيْنَاكُمْ وَأَغْرَقْنَا آلَ فِرْعَوْنَ وَأَنْتُمْ تَنْظُرُونَ. And remember when we separated the sea for you and saved you and drowned Fir'aun people while you were looking at them when the sea water covered them.